Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Hi guys, hi to all our friends from Italy together, and today we are visiting Portofino. We are at the end of October. I want to show you Portofino in a rainy day and at the end of the season. It's so beautiful guys over here, even when there are few people around, a few tourists. It's so nice and so romantic. Portofino, always a nice destination where to come to relax, to have a coffee, to have some food at just next to the sea, and to enjoy the beautiful atmosphere of Portofino, the luxury atmosphere of Portofino. So now we will go there on the piazzetta. We will walk inside the streets, the narrow streets of Portofino, and I will show you how it looks like Portofino in winter time at the end of the season. And I hope you will like the video guys. Send your comments, your likes, and let's go and enjoy all together the beautiful Portofino. Andiamo amici. So if you come here in summertime like July, August, here it will be full. It will be full of yacht of the many millionaires and billionaires who come here for a vacation. It's as I told you, Portofino, it's a very luxury destination, so a lot of VIP, they come here to spend their vacation, and in summertime it's going to be very full of tourists and full of people. The town, it's not so big, so when there are a lot of people around, it can get a little bit stressing even to come here by ferry boat or by bus, because it's going to be everything full. But then if you come like now in October and you want to see Portofino, enjoy the town, then it's also a nice option. So you come here, everything is open, and you can see the beauty of this amazing town of Liguria. And here we are in the piazzetta, the beautiful piazzetta of Portofino, where everything goes on, we can say, because this is the center of the town. There are few streets in Portofino, and this is the main square of the town. Now it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon, in the evening, so it's a bit dark, but you see still some light, and people like to stay outside, sit in the bars, in the restaurants, and enjoy the beauty of this town. Look, these are the bars that usually in summertime are totally full and crowded of tourists, but now they are with few people sitting. Wow, che bello! So beautiful, always so beautiful Portofino, amici. So you can keep walking around in these streets, where you will find some shops, some boutiques, like you have premium brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Bottega Veneta, a lot of luxury brands here in Portofino, of course. And look here are the streets with the shops, and here some bars, restaurants where you can sit still outside. End of October, still nice days, warm, and the people, of course, they prefer to stay outside. So guys, this was a walking tour of Portofino to show you the beauty of this town, even when it's the low season. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Send your comments, your likes, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel. Grazie a tutti from Portofino, and ci vediamo presto. Ciao ciao.